Okay. In last class, we discussed comparing the three sectors and also GDP. Okay. Now, here is we already discussed three sectors: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Okay. Then, what are the developments? Here is what are the developments in case of these three sectors? We want to discuss that. So then, for example, in case of primary sector, what is the development of primary sector, then secondary sector and tertiary sector. Okay, in every matter, we know that in anything we want to discuss the past incidents. All past incidents are called history. Okay, we already discussed earlier. But here also we want to discuss the past history of these three sectors. So what is our next topic? Historical change in sectors. So what is our next topic? Historical change in sectors. Historical change in sectors. Historical change in sectors. It is our new topic. Okay. Listen. The starting time of development, or we calculate what are the development here. But here is the most important sector, that is the primary sector. Then gradually here is industry started. First time we know that here is agriculture. Most of the people depend upon agriculture. Then here is industry started, and industry developed automatically. Many people divert to industry. Then after these two sectors, here is another sector, that is our service sector or tertiary sector. There also so many people engaged, and there also some changes. Okay. Then we want to discuss what are the changes here is, or what is the history of these changes. So what is our heading? Historical change in sectors. Generally, it has been noted from the histories of many now developed countries that at initial stages of development, primary sector was the most important sector of economic activity. Which is the most important sector of economic activity? Primary sector, the initial stage. Listen, the initial stages of the development. What is the meaning of initial stages of development? The starting time of development here is primary sector is the most important sector of economic activity. So which is the most important sector of economic activity? That is the primary sector. Then, as the method of farming changed, and agriculture sector began to prosper. Initial stage here is the important, that is the primary sector. Then as the method of farming changed, and agriculture sector began to prosper. Okay, prosper means develop, grow, abhivruddhi പ്രാപിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. It produced much more food than before. Listen, technology developed, or a new method of farming adopted. That's why here is a production increases. Many people could now take up other activities. Listen, it produced much more food than before. That's why more people can take another activities. They could take another activities. There were increasing number of craft persons and traders. Firstly, most of the people depend upon agriculture, but farming method changing, there is a tools and technology used, or a new method of farming adopted. That's why they can they could make many things. So there is so many free time or leisure time. On that occasion, somebody decided to divert or engage in other activities like craft and trade. This also we already studied in junior classes. Am I right? Okay. Then there were increasing number of craft persons and traders. There is increase the number of craft persons and traders. buying and selling activities increased many times. There is a buying and selling activities. That is increased. Besides, there were also transporters, administrators, army, etc. However, at this stage, most of the goods produced were natural product from the primary sector, and most people were also employed in this sector. Listen, here we discussed the historical changes in sectors. Listen, the initial stage of development, here is the most important sector, primary sector. Which is the most important sector? Primary sector. When the initial stage, primary sector is the most important. Then here is farming prospered. That's why the people could engage another activities like craft and trade. There is all activities are going smoothly, like buying and selling. Then there is started transportation, then transporters, then administrators, army, etc. Then, however, at this stage, most of the goods produced were natural product. Now also, very development, but now also they used natural product for producing from the primary sector. The most people were also employed in this sector. Now also most people employed in which sector? Primary sector. Which sector? Primary sector. Over a long time, that means more than 100 years, and especially because new method of manufacturing were introduced. Here is new method of manufacturing introduced. Then factories came up and started expanding. Listen, new method of manufacturing were introduced, and also factories came up. They started expanding. Those people who had earlier worked on farms now began to work in factories in large numbers. Those who engaged, or those who working in farming place, or those who earlier worked on farms now began to work in factories. നേരത്തെ ഫാമിലൊക്കെ വർക്ക് ചെയ്തവർ now they started to working in factories and began to use many more people began to use many more goods that were produced in factories at a cheap rate. I repeat, those people who had earlier worked on farms now began to work in factories in large numbers. People began to use many more goods that were produced in factories at a cheap rate. Factories in a cheap rate, more goods available. That's why they could use these things at a cheap rate. Lower price, they can buy these things from factories. Secondary sector gradually became the most important in total production and employment. Listen, factories came up. Factories included in which category? Secondary sector. Okay. Primary sector, there is agriculture, the farm, that is included in the primary sector. But there is who worked on farm, now they engaged in factory. Alright. And now that is the factory workers. Then another important merit, they can buy everything at a cheaper rate from factories. That means here is a secondary sector started. That means the industrial sector. Okay. Then, hence, over time, a shift had taken place. This means that the importance of the sectors had changed. Listen, the initial stage, which is the most important sector, that is the primary sector. But gradually there is some changes. Okay. The secondary sector came. Then there are also some changes. Okay. In the past 100 years, there has been a further shift from secondary to tertiary sector in developed countries. Listen, at the beginning of the development, the most important sector is the primary sector. Most of the people engaged in primary sector. There is starting then they use some farming method, new method of farming.